Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this fudge pie. Before we get into today's video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified when we upload. So the first thing that you're going to do is get a pie crust. We like to use the store-bought kind. It's just the Pillsbury brand, and you're going to put that in your pie dish just to get it ready for the pie filling. And then in a bowl, you're gonna mix 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and you wanna use unsweetened cocoa powder. And then you're going to add 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And I think 6 tablespoons, so if I'm remembering correctly, I think 3 tablespoons is about a quarter cup. So 6 tablespoons is roughly half a cup, although I don't know if I would try to measure it while you're making this. But anyways, and then you're going to add 1 1/4 cup of sugar. Just plain old white sugar. Then half a cup of peanut butter. Two eggs, and you want your eggs to be room temperature. That's when you're baking things like this, most of the time you want things to be room temperature. So eggs need to be set out ahead of time. You want your pie crust to be set out ahead of time. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Anything else that you're putting in it that you're not heating up beforehand, like we're going to add some melted butter, but like if you were going to be adding, well, I'm not sure what else, aside from eggs, room temperature eggs, that's what you want. So we're going to mix this up, and we're going to add a stick of melted butter to this mixture as well. And we're just going to mix this up really well. You just want everything to kind of come together. It doesn't take long to mix it up. And then we're going to put that in our pie crust. And you just want to spread it around so that everything is pretty even. This is just so that everything cooks evenly, and there's no like weird pockets where maybe there's not any filling for the pie. And then we're going to crimp the edges of the pie crust. And this is Mom doing this video, and she can crimp the edges of a pie crust. I cannot. So finally you guys get a video of somebody crimping pie crust edges that's not me, so you can see how it's supposed to be done. And then once that's all done, you're gonna bake that in the oven at 350 for 45 to 55 minutes. And there it is, all done. If you wanna see more recipes, be sure to check out loavesanddishes.net, and thanks for watching.